Whether you want to get some steps in while working at your desk or go for a light jog without having to go outside, this little walking pad might be exactly what you need. I got a standing desk a few months ago and wanted a little treadmill to add some movement to my routine. This is the perfect size to fit under my standing desk, and it's been amazing for helping me get my 10,000 steps and relieve some muscle soreness from sitting all day. The belt is anti-slip, and it seems to be the perfect tightness for me. For reference, I'm 5'5" and 150 pounds. If it's not calibrated correctly for you, they include this loosening tightening tool. And while it's not silent, it's definitely quieter than treadmills at the gym. I could easily take a call while I'm walking on it, and it wouldn't be irritating. One of my favorite features is the remote. I love being able to adjust my speed without having to press buttons on the machine, and the LED display is great. It gives me all my important workout data like speed, calories, step, distance, and time at a glance. The remote control makes adjusting the speed super easy, ranging from half a mile to 4 miles per hour. I think it's most comfortable around 2.5 to 3. And the best part, there's no installation required. It comes fully assembled right out of the box. And once you're done with your workout, it's easy to move around, thanks to its lightweight design and wheels. You could slide it under your desk, bed, or sofa, or lean it against a wall. This Sperax walking pad is perfect for anyone looking to stay active at home or at the office, whether you want to walk, jog, or just stretch your legs while working. I love that it's a simple and effective way to incorporate more movement into my day. I hope you'll love it too.